For this contour, you are going to need about 3 products and about 4 brushes. So the products that I'm going to be using is it's gonna be my bronzer. So this is the one that I use, and it's from XOXO. Now I'm going to be using a concealer. My go-to pro concealer contour is the Pro. And the brushes are going to be Morphe E34, Morphe C42, Morphe R14, and Morphe R7. So the first thing that I do is that I actually apply my concealer first. This is what I do. I do like a little triangle here, but I actually just do it with the lines. Like that. I mean, it's kind of like I don't know, whatever shape you want to call it. That's what I do, and I go all the way up to there. And then I apply some on my nose. And I just do like a line up here, like that. So I go under like my contour. I know that I have to contour like my cheekbone. So I kind of leave that cheekbone area, I leave it alone. And then when I'm going to go ahead and do a line with the concealer, I go below it. You're kind of like my jaw. So if you press on the concealer and you follow your jaw, that's where you're going to go. Okay. It's cute, right? So then what I do is that I kind of just blend this in just a little bit. And I'm going to show you why I do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. I'm not going to even like worry about it being thoroughly blended. So I'm just going to go like that, whatever, you know.
You don't treat me no good no more. And I don't want to yell and scream about the same damn things.
Then I go ahead and grab my Morphe E42 and my bronzer. I'm just going to dab it in. And now that's when you follow your jawline. I like to press it in and just follow. And then at the end, I like to kind of lift it up because I don't want too much bronzer there. So that's what I do. And then I add some more like right there in the line that I created. I add a lot here because it makes me look skinnier. So if you want to look skinnier, that's my trick. And then I just add some more up here. And then on my nose, right there. And then of course, follow the line here, like that. And then I add some right here, like on the side, like that. Alright, so now what I do is that I like to grab the same brush that I use to kind of blend in the concealer. I'm going to do it, and I'm just going to blend in the bronzer. So I'm just going to stay in that part. I'm not going to worry about blending everything in right now. I'm just going to focus on this part. Make sure you grab your hair back and make sure it goes there on the hairline so you don't have like a pale hairline and then like a brown forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and wet that brush that I was using just to blend in both. So I'm going to wet it, and I'm going to go ahead again, and I'm going to go really smoothly, and this time I'm going to have more patience with myself and just kind of go really softly, circular motions, okay?
Constantly changing things around, breaking down every single noun that I say. I'm about to pull this car to the side.
You're gonna go ahead and finish blending in your concealer. That's when I'm gonna grab my big brush here. So I'm just gonna blend in everything right here.
Our love is running low. Love is running low. Love is running low.
Just make sure that you get in all the spots, because if you don't blend it enough, you're gonna have some spots where you still have the concealer on. So just make sure that everything is thoroughly blended, please. Now this is the time to focus. I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm gonna start from this part in the end, and I'm just gonna bronze my face just like that.
Baby, you don't get it, just say it.
And I don't like to grab too much, by the way. Ow. If you want to stay like this, go ahead and stay like this. But if you want to go ahead and blind your haters, add some highlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the gold highlight, and this is my flower palette. So with the highlight, I don't like to be greedy. I like to shine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some here.
Dreaming no good no more, and I don't wanna yell.
And then I like to add some in the middle right here and on my nose. And just like that. And then of course I gotta add some up here. Alright you guys, so that's it. I just teached you my super quick way on how to contour. It literally took 5 minutes. Like, who could beat that? And if you know anybody who could beat that, go ahead and comment, tag them so they can show me the little tricks. Maybe I could learn from them. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, share. I also want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, so you stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed and you want to participate, go ahead and subscribe. The only reason why I haven't done it yet is because I want to do a surprise one, and I want to make sure that I get to know you guys more, so I can know what stuff to like buy so I can give to you guys. So in order for me to get to know you guys more, you need to comment and, I don't know, have contact with me. Like, hello, I will always reply to you guys. I will always keep in touch, and I truly appreciate the love. So make sure you guys subscribe and, you know, leave a comment. Follow me on social media. Below is the information for my social media, and I'm also going to be letting you guys know what I used for this quick contour. I mean, for me it's so simple. I love it. I love things that are simple. I love light makeup. I'll be willing to do some dark makeup for you guys if you guys want me to do it, but my go-to is light makeup. It's just, I don't know, I like it more, you know. That's it, because I feel like sometimes when you wear like too much dark makeup, especially up here and the bottom here, you look like you haven't slept, like seriously. So that's the reason why I always use light makeup. Or maybe I'm just being too, I don't know. Anyways, if you guys want to know how I created this eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys. I truly appreciate you guys, and yeah, that's it. Bye.
How can I love you if it's never enough? How do I know it? 'Cause it don't seem like I